What's up, world? It's the Infinite Ninja, and in this video I'm going to be answering a question that came in from my boy Rob, who wanted to know how to improve his push-up game. He felt like he wasn't progressing, and he wanted, some things he can do at home. So first of all, I'm going to show you the 3 most common mistakes I see people make when doing their push-ups, and then I'm going to show you the correct form and different ways to improve your form. So lock it in and let's go.
You now rocking with the best.
Okay, so one of the first mistakes I see people make is they have their hips way too high and their butt is all the way in the air. Now, if that's you, what that typically means is you need a little bit more core strength, or you just need to lower it down. Maybe you've never been taught the correct form. Your hips and your back should be at one level parallel to the ground, and it should be flat. You should be so flat I should be able to sit my drink on your back. So the second most common mistake I see people make, and this one is one I used to make myself, in fact, is the arch back or arch back syndrome, whatever you want to call it.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
You do not want to be arching your back while doing your push-ups. Here's the reason for that. Now, this one is not as bad as maybe the first one or the next one I'm going to talk about, but when you have that arch back, you're still not activating the core, and this is a simple tweak that you can do, and it's going to work more of your chest, and you're going to get more benefit out of this exercise just by making a simple tweak. So the simple tweak you need to do is push your belly button through to your spine, so you have a hollow, what's called a hollow back, and that'll make your back flat and not have that arch in your back. Okay, and last but not least is the saggy hips.
Oh, hell no!
That's the third most common mistake I see people make, saggy hip syndrome. So in this one, people's hips are just sagging. There's no core activation at all. You're just kind of like giving up, and you're going through the motions. If you're doing this, please stop, because here's the reason: you're wasting your reps. I'd rather see you jump on a table or a desk or a bench and do some incline or elevated push-ups. You're gonna get more benefit out of that with your hips engaged and you're locked in that plank form versus doing the saggy hip thing. Okay, and then finally, we get to the correct push-up form. Here it is. So, correct push-up form: flat back, hips and back in alignment, everything is engaged, your core is locked in, and you are squeezing everything. See, the benefit of this is you're getting a full body workout. You're activating your core. You don't have to do a billion crunches. If you're doing your push-ups correctly, you're working your core the entire time, and you're gonna get the desired abs that you want by doing this. Trust me, it works. You don't have to do 1,000 sit-ups. You're gonna work just as hard by doing perfect form planks, hollow body holds, and push-ups. Okay, so if you don't have the strength or ability to do this right now, what you need to do is just hold that plank. So hold this position for 30 seconds. All right, once you get up to 30 seconds, then go for a minute. Once you get up to a minute, go for 2 minutes. That should be the goal. And once you're able to do that, then start adding in those push-ups. Alright, I'm glad you guys got through the video, but now's the most important part, and that's taking action. So go ahead right now, go give me 20 push-ups, alright? Go ahead, knock out 20, get some money, but make sure you're doing the correct form. And again, you can do one of the modified, which is incline push-ups. You can do it on a bench, a table. I heard one of my homies say he do it on a sink. Whatever you need, something in your elevated surface. You can even go do modified push-ups on your knees. So that's the other way to do that, is from the knees, not girl push-ups, because I know girls just doing better push-ups than guys. And the very easiest push-up is wall push-ups. So if you're a very, very beginner, just getting started, and you really can't do any of the push-ups, you can do wall push-ups. Everybody can do that. So start with the most basics. But the point is taking action, getting your reps in, getting money every day. That's the only way you're going to get results, is investing in your health, and it's going to give you massive returns, 10x. All right, much love. Do it with love. Do it daily. Do it your own way. Go infinite. Peace.